Do you know that you can make money online by listening to music? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how is that possible by using this website. Listening to one music can earn you $5 or listening to 10 music can earn you $45. As you can see, people from different countries all around the world are withdrawing money from this website every single day. So make sure to follow each steps very carefully in order to earn as much as possible by using this website. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about how to make money online by listening to music. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and open our browser, and after that, just go ahead and search Mixkit on your search engine. So this is the website right here, mixkit.co, awesome free assets for your next video project. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain what Mixkit is for you. Mixkit is a collection of stock videos, stock music, stock sound effects, stock video templates, and everything that you need to use for your video editing. So why are we here? We are here for the stock music. So let's just go ahead and click on the stock music right here. And after that, we are going to be presented with this page where we could go ahead and see multiple stock music right here. For example, we have this one son and his daughter, a very happy Christmas, but we are not looking for this. What you want to do is to browse through the genre right here, and we are going for the acoustic one or the hip hop one depending on your niche. So in today's video, we're gonna explore more on the hip hop ones. So just go ahead and click on it, and after that, it will categorize the music into the hip hop ones. We can now go ahead and see multiple hip hop stock music right here where we can go ahead and listen to. So what you are actually going to do is just go ahead and listen to any of this. You can go ahead and listen to as many as you can, or you can go ahead and download multiple stock music right here if you want to. So once you find something that you actually like, what you want to do is to go ahead and click on the download icon right here, and it will basically instantly download in our computer. And before we proceed, let's go ahead and read the licensing for this stock musics. So let's go on over to this page right here, and it states right here, this stock music is allowed for podcasts, social media video posts, online marketing ads, educational purposes, and YouTube videos. What is not allowed is for CDs and DVDs, TV and radio broadcast, and video games. So once again, this is completely copyright free, and you have nothing to worry about once you go ahead and actually use or download these musics. So this is the website right here where we are going to make money. So as you can see, it's upload, share, and make money. With 3 upload, you get unlimited storage, which you can use to upload files and share them with others to make money. So this is basically a drive where people could go ahead and access your file, and when they do access that file, they get some video ads for maybe 30 seconds or whatever ads that may be, and you'll get a percentage of that ad revenue to your account. So once you're in this site called 3Upload, you will now go ahead and click on the make money option right here, and you will go ahead and see the different currencies that they are offering from different countries. And as you can see right here, per tier 1 countries, you'll get $6 of ad revenue. And what that means, if we go ahead and scroll down here, you could go ahead and see for the tier 1 countries, we have United States, Canada, Brazil, Vietnam, Indonesia, France, Finland, Thailand, and Nigeria. For the tier 2 countries, we get $4, and it's Germany, United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Greenland. And for the tier 3, we'll get 6. And for tier 3, we'll get $3, which is for France Federation, Ukraine, and Saudi Arabia. And lastly, we get the tier 4, which is other countries, which is basically not specified right here. But if you don't see the country right here, most likely it's in the tier 4 category. So you can go ahead and see the payment methods that they have right here. They have Avcash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, PayPal, Perfect Money, Skrill, Tether, WebMoney, and Pioneer. And the best part of this is the minimum withdrawal is only $1. So you can actually go ahead and withdraw money today if someone accesses your link. So with that out of the way, let's now go ahead and click on the sign up button right here. So when signing up your account, it will go ahead and ask for a username, email, password, and payment info. It's optional, you don't have to put your payment info right now, but if you're planning to withdraw today, I suggest just go ahead and put in your payment info right now. And after filling up everything, just go ahead and click on the I'm not a robot and you should be good to go. After signing up your account, you will be able to see your account balance, used space, traffic available today, my referrals, and many of your account info. So once you have registered your account, the next thing to do is to go ahead and click on the upload file. And once you're here, it's straightforward. Just go ahead and click on the browse file, go ahead and locate your file, and you should be good to go. Click on the start upload, and it will go ahead and upload your file. So the only question right now is how you can go ahead and get traffic in your link. So I am going to discuss that in the next step, which is so right now we are inside youtube.com and I want to show you something. So if you go ahead and actually search hip hop copyright free, you'll go ahead and spot multiple videos where people are posting their own videos about their copyright free music, and sometimes it's a playlist and sometimes it's a compilation. You could go ahead and see that one right here where it takes around 1 hour of the videos and it's just a compilation of the copyright music. So what you want to do is to go ahead and gather as much as copyright music as you want to and just go ahead and post it on YouTube, and just go ahead and leave your link down in the description below pertaining to the specific music that are playing. So it's really simple to do, you don't need complex editing to do this. Just go ahead and paste your music while you're editing and just go ahead and insert some image or some simple videos to make it work. And this is not only exclusive for hip hop or acoustic, you could also go ahead and do this for transitions, for sound effects, or basically for anything about editing where people could go ahead and download that music. So as you can see, I've searched sound effects transition and you could go ahead and see these 25 free cinematic transitions sound effects. And this is basically just a compilation of sound effects where people could go ahead and access those sound effects by clicking or accessing through their link. So you could go ahead and find those sound effects by going back to the mix kit right here, and you could go ahead and browse through with the sound effects tab right here. You could also do this for videos, icons, templates, images, or anything else, and just go ahead and upload it to 3Upload, where you could go ahead and get some ad revenue when people go ahead and click through your link. So if you are still having a hard time navigating to 3Upload, or you're having some hard time understanding this video, you can just go ahead and chat them by clicking on the chat button right here, and just go ahead and click on the start button, which will go ahead and take you to their FAQs, which is the most frequently asked questions. So if you still don't understand how 3Upload works, just go ahead and click on the start chat. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.